Hi everyone, I just came back from a night out. I took off my makeup, brushed my teeth, and I was just about to start flossing when I wanted to just hop on here and tell you guys about this amazing new product that I have found. I've been flossing my teeth twice a day, every day, and honestly even more than that because I have some few big gaps in the back and small gaps in the front, and sometimes when I eat things like meat, I will get stuck. I'll go to the bathroom and I'll floss it out. It's just a pet peeve of mine to have food stuck in my teeth. So as I was about to do this, I thought I should share this beautiful new product that I have found, and it's called Wisefloss. And the reason I'm so excited is because if you can see on the picture, it's like a pleated pattern. And the problem with me with other flosses is that either they would be ripping and getting stuck in my teeth, which is even more irritating than having food stuck in there. It hurts. Or it would be too smooth and it would take me like 100 times to like actually get the food out. By the time I do, I irritate my gums. So I just wanted to show you how even in my night purse tonight, I always have floss. In every bag, I have a floss. But I just wanted to show you how literally how cute and tiny this is. It's a small bag. And so the packaging is great. So this is what the little package is that you can take with you wherever you go. But inside here, there's actually a refill that comes with it, and you can get this on Amazon. But I just wanted to really show you guys in person this pleated effect. And like I said, I cannot recommend this more because in those really tight spots in the back, I wasn't able to get thick. I don't know if you can see that. It was impossible to get like the thickness of the floss into it, and then the thinness would just rip up my gums. So it's woven so beautifully. It smells so minty fresh, and I just feel once I use this floss that I really scrubbed between those teeth and make sure I got all that gunk and all of those extra things that we don't need there. So, Wisefloss, everyone. It's really worth it. I mean, like, I didn't even do anything, and it's just taking everything out. And I do have to say that with this floss, there is a little bit of a learning curve of just figuring out how to get it in properly because it is a little thicker and it does have those pleating. But what I do is I lean against one tooth and then I slowly inch my way in. I do like a little loop around and then I inch myself out. And just like that. I hope you all have a great night.